Hello friends, welcome back. Myself Priya'z and you are watching my channel Learning with Funny Activities. So friends, today in this video I will be telling you that how I created this gorgeous looking artificial rose just using a foam sheet. And at the end of this video I will also be telling a secret that how I made this wonderful artificial rose smell like original rose. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then just do it by pressing the red subscribe button below this video, and also don't forget to press the bell icon to get all our weekly video updates. Now friends, let's go to the video. So all the necessary items required for this flower making tutorial are: number 1, aluminium foil roll, number 2, scissor, number 3, sketch pen to mark the outline, number 4, stem wrapping adhesive tape, number 5, Fevicol or any other glue which you can find easily, number 6, some broomsticks, number 7, hot glue gun, lastly some foam wrapping sheet. Now to start with, we will be taking a broomstick and start wrapping it with this tape. If in case this type of sticks are not available, then you can even replace it with dried twigs or branches which you can easily collect it from the garden. Now we are almost done, and in this way we will be wrapping all the sticks to make our stem. Now to make rose flower, I am taking pretty large piece of foam wrapping sheet. Basically, these sheets are used to wrap glassware or crockery items to protect it from cracks or sudden breakage. You can easily collect these in any crockery shops, or sometimes these are also available in some stationery. So today we will be making rose flower out of it. For this, roughly draw spiral-like shape with the help of sketch pen. Now cut it out accordingly. After we are finished cutting, we will be flipping it and we need to start rolling it from this end. So for this, we will be taking a stem. Initially, we will put hot glue, but remember, glue must not be too hot, otherwise you will end up in melting your foam sheet. Now it's time to take a smooth roll together with foam and stem. Now our white rose will somewhat look like this, and in this way you need to make some more bunch of flowers. If you wish, you can simply keep these marvelous white rose in your vase, which is enough to adorn it. Or you can color these roses according to your choice. But today, I will be coloring it red. So, for this, you need to dip your brush in a red acrylic paint and start coloring it in each and every corner of the petals. So here is the vibrant color which I desired. My sensuous red color rose is ready. I have painted all my white rose and assembled it in a vase. But to make my whole flower vase look more creative and stunning, I am giving a touch of this silver foiled roll. Now, if you want to make the same, then you need to take some large aluminium foil roll and start rolling it with the help of stick. After you are done, squeeze it tightly to make its outer surface look more rough and shiny. Now separate the stick by pulling it out and give a smooth turn around the same stick. Red rose without any smell is useless. So, to make it more valuable and real, I am adding this few drop of rose essence in my artificial rose. Now our beautiful artificial rose flower vase is ready and it smells like heaven. You can even make and gift it to your beloved and your friends. Or you can simply keep on the center table to intensify the beauty of its look. So friends, if you like this video, then please give a thumbs up following with your precious comment. And again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I will see you guys next week. Till then, take care and bye-bye.